Hello, in this video I want to show you how to shoot fast with a pistol in Hunt Showdown. And to do this you'll need to get the revolver or any pistol in the game. Then you need to level up your hunter or at least get the trait points. Then you'll be able to buy the trait which allows you to shoot fast, and the trait is called fanning. So on this hunter I think I'll be able to do it. Yep. So we're gonna click on this plus button with the traits and find the fanning, and it's right here. It looks like this. It costs 8 trait points. Now when you buy it you can go to any game. And right here inside the game, make sure that you're not zooming in, otherwise it won't work. So when you're zooming out with the weapon, using it from the hip, then simply start clicking and you'll shoot fast. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.